Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear respected Imam Dr. Ibrahim Abu Mohammed. Today is Thursday, the 1st of Dhul Hijjah, according to the local moon sighting in Australia, while it's the 2nd of Dhul Hijjah, according to the Saudi calendar. With the approach of Eid Al Adha, many Muslims in Australia, and many families especially, hold their hearts because of the challenge and the pain they know they are going to face because of 2 Eids and sometimes 3 Eids. Families are split, communities are divided. One fatwa calls the Muslims to follow the local sighting, and the other fatwa, which is yours, calling people to follow Saudi Arabia. On behalf of many Muslims, many families and communities who are facing this hardship every year, this division, in one masjid you find 2 Eids, in one family you find 2 or 3 Eids, isn't the time to make an end to this? Isn't the time to say, no, we shouldn't keep quiet about this? Yes, we have to respect opinions, but when opinions are dividing our community to the fact that there is one moon but we are divided upon it, there is a problem. The problem is not about the moon, the problem is beyond that, and we have to find a solution for it. It's why I, and on behalf of many Muslims in Australia, we have one and only question for you. Dear Dr. Ibrahim, what are your proofs from the Book of Allah and the Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam? Only these two, the Book of Allah and the Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, that support your claim, your fatwa, that we have to follow Saudi Arabia or Mecca moon sighting. What are the proofs from the Book of Allah and the Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam only? Because this is the only thing which can bring us together. Men's opinion are going to divide us. You will say I'm Hanafi, I will say I'm Shafi'i. I follow my madhab, you follow your madhab. Because there is nothing which we have in common except the Book of Allah and the authentic Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Opinions may divide us, but the only thing which will unite us is what Allah said, what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. I believe we should be concerned about uniting the Muslims. That's why we are calling you to answer this question. What are your evidences from the Book of Allah and the authentic Sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam only that support your claim to follow Saudi moon sighting? We look forward to hear from you with our respect and love. Your brother Sufyan Khalifa. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.